Okay, big breaking news coming in. Karishma Prakash has reached the NCB office is the latest that is coming in, cutting straight across to the live visuals that are coming in. Deepika's manager, Karishma Prakash, who featured in those chats, the chats that showed an alleged drug connection between the two. She's now reached the NCB office. Remember, we reported earlier as to how they will be and most likely be brought face to face for questioning as well. And Karishma at the moment has reached the NCB office. You can see on your screens, we're getting you live visuals right now from the NCB office. Deepika Padukone's manager at the Narcotics Control Bureau office in Mumbai. Live visuals on your screens. And this is happening as Deepika is already being grilled as we speak by the Narcotics Control Bureau. They both had featured in that WhatsApp chat and probably they would be brought face to face with each other for further questioning. There is the grilling of Deepika Padukone's manager on the cards for the Narcotics Control Bureau. The top stars also have been summoned. You've got Karishma Prakash, who's the manager of Deepika Padukone, who has reached the NCB office. In about a short while from now, the questioning of Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor will also begin. And on the Narcotics Control Bureau are 50 top stars and actors, directors, producers that include people who are present at that party at Karan Johar's residence, the video of which was released by Karan Johar himself. There's a lot of movement that is going on. Remember, Deepika Padukone had reached the NCB office for questioning, and at the moment, you have visuals on your screens that are coming from Mumbai, where Karishma Prakash, who is Deepika Padukone's manager, has reach the NCB office. Munish Pandey joins us for the very latest. Munish, if you could just give our viewers the latest, what is coming in from the NCB. Probably Karishma Prakash and Deepika Padukone will be brought face to face with each other and questioned and grilled by the Narcotics Control Bureau. What are you picking up from your sources in the NCB as we speak?
Yeah, well, Chaiti, this is the second straight day when Karishma Prakash will be questioned by the Narcotics Control Bureau in the very same office where I'm standing, and my camera person Prakash, Praveen Patil will show you the visuals. At this point of time, what we have been given to understand is that Deepika Padukone is being grilled alone by a 4-member SIT team, but later on, Karishma may be confronted with Deepika Padukone if necessary, because remember, yesterday Narcotics Control Bureau questioned Karishma over Deepika Padukone's drugs allegations. They asked her whether you had WhatsApp conversation about drugs with Deepika Padukone or not. Why these drugs conversation? Whether any drug was supplied on 28 October 2017. These questions were asked to Karishma, and what the Narcotics Control Bureau claims that they have got several leads in this case. Now, first session will be when Deepika Padukone will be questioned by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and then that is why Karishma Prakash will become important, because if Deepika Padukone denies any charges, then Karishma will be made to sit face to face to Deepika Padukone, and then she will be confronted. So Karishma has come to the NCB office. Deepika is already being grilled, and in a while from now she might be confronted with Karishma. So it is going to be very crucial as far as the entire investigation and drug allegation against actress number 1 is concerned.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.